Hi there. You want to see a Christmas tree? Here, I'm going to show you. We got a Toyota in the Matrix. Somebody hooked up the battery wrong. Well, that's my assumption. Come around here. We have steering, airbag, door open, ABS, brake light, and it won't shift, no radio, no fan, no turns. Oh, high beams. High beams work. No, flash to pass works. Oh, no, they do. Mirrors, don't. Radio, windows, locks. She's dead. She's dead, but it starts and runs and drives. Trick for young players. There's a little safety under here, so you can actually pop it into gear without having the brake lights. So you just pull this cover off, and you can push down the button, and now you can get into gear. Neat little thing you can do. Okay, so let's go over here. Ah! There's your problem. There's a burnt fuse.
It's always a fuse.
Well, it's always a fuse, but there's a main bus fuse here. Oh, there. Okay, so there's a little clip there. There. There's two little clips there. Oh, better take that out. Addendum. GM does not make the part, Toyota does. So after I went through the repair, I started Googling this part number that was on the side for the Toyota Matrix, and the Pontiac Vibe is no longer available. Here's your part number for a Pontiac Vibe Matrix. Yeah, that's it. This part will work in here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change this out. Follow the instructions. So yes, this is how you do it properly. It's always a 10 millimeter. Hey, that came out not bad. 1, 2, ow, and 3. Okay. So we're getting further. This is the module we want. So, wow, we gotta take a lot of crap to get at this fuse. This is stupid. Toyota, GM, you should never have made this car. No wonder nobody wants to work on it. Okay, I had to take the computer, the engine computer out, the airbox out. They were held in with just 10 millimeter bolts. And then there was 3 bolts holding on this fuse box, 1, 2, 3, which made it easier once I took the computer out. Okay, so now we have to split this, and there's a whole bunch of connector, 1, 2, all these little clips have to go through. Now, we can actually get at this guy and push this out. Okay, there's a whole bunch of tabs in there. Okay, so how do we get these out a little bit better? Okay, so here, take a picture. Goes cream, gray, white. Cream, gray, white, okay? 1. There. Oh. Now, this is what I wanted to see. This is where we are.
Under the glove.
Under the glass. There's your problem. Back on connector.
Did it work?
I don't know. I haven't started it yet. So negatives on there. Didn't go boom. Let's see what happens. We have door ajar. Oh, we have one light. Security lights on. We have radio. Ooh, turn that off. Signal's working now.
Where's the street going?
Woo! Light. Traction control. VSC. We have heater now.
For all of us in this generation.
Radio. Does it work when I get out of gear? Yeah. Windows. Okay. All right. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see what I break next, or maybe even fix, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.